We have four polynomials here. The first one is x plus 1. Next one is y raised to the power of 10 plus 2y raised to the power of 9 plus 3y raised to the power of 2 plus 2. Next one is s raised to the power of 3 plus s squared plus s plus 1, and then t raised to the power of 4 plus t plus 1. One thing that is common in these four polynomials is that these all polynomials are polynomials in one variable. Okay, so in this we have only one variable, that is x. Let's denote this polynomial by px. This tells you that this polynomial is in variable x. Okay, polynomial in variable x. Okay, let's denote this one by qy. Okay, this polynomial has been denoted by qy. Now you can use any letter here. It can be s, it can be 2, whatever. Okay, this tells you that this polynomial is in variable y, right? Again, this polynomial is also in one variable, because here you have only one variable, that is y. Same thing is here. In this polynomial you have four terms, and all the terms except this is a constant term. All these three terms are made up of only one variable, that is s. Let's denote this by r s, polynomial in variable s. Okay, in this case you have a polynomial that is in variable y, only one variable, that is t. So let's denote this by let's say that is p, polynomial in variable t. Now compare these four polynomials with these five polynomials. In this case you have x plus y plus 1. Now this is not a polynomial in one variable. This is a polynomial in two variables, that are x, that is x and y, right? So we can denote it by p x y, right? In this case you have again two variables. This is a polynomial in two variables, xy plus 1, that is the two variables are xy. In this case, this is a polynomial in three variables, x, y, and z. In this case, again, you have a polynomial in three variables, x, y, and z. In this case, the last polynomial is actually a polynomial in four variables. You have p, you have q, you have r. Sorry, in this case, you have in fact six variables. You have p, you have q, you have r, you have s, you have t, and you have u. So p, q, r, s, t, and u. These are the six variables that this polynomial contains, right? So these four polynomials are polynomials in one variable, and these are polynomials in more than one variable.